Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Dear viewers, I'm here today with a new video on problems in English sound and spelling. Most often, we are mistaken in pronouncing a word correctly. And the most important for us is that we cannot pronounce like the natives. So, where lies the main problem? I will talk about this issue today in this video. If we want to pronounce a word properly or correctly, we need to understand the relationship between English spelling and IPA. IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. In our country, many often tend to pronounce a word only by observing the spelling, not the IPA construction. That is why we are often mistaken. Not only that, many of our pronunciation make us a laughing stock. In order to remove this problem, we'll have to know the phonemic sound well. And from a very good dictionary, we'll have to consult the IPA of a word. So let us proceed about this issue. So what are the problems that we face? The main problem is that the spelling and the pronunciation, the spelling and the IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, may not be consistent. It may be inconsistent. That means they may be different from one another. So only and only learning IPA helps accurate pronunciation. Okay. So what are the main problems? Same letter in a word may have different sound, may not have the same sound, and at the same time, same sound may not be represented by the same letter. And another important issue is that there are some silent letters, and only the consultation of IPA will tell us which letters are silent. And if we do not consult it from a good dictionary, we will pronounce the word and it will it will be a big mistake. For example, let us see about the word cattle. It's cattle. Okay. So if we pronounce the word only by a spelling, it will be cattle. No problem. It's okay. It's cattle. But look here, it's not kitty, it's city. Here, it's not cantori, rather, it's sensory. It's cycle and it's cold. Okay, here it is ka, here it is ka. But here it is sa, sa. So how can I understand? How can we understand this? Where it is ka sound and where it is sa sound. It can only be clearer only by observing the IPA of the word. Okay. If we consult the word cattle, the IPA is ka, a, ka, e, ta, la, cattle. Here, C represents ka, not its letter C. Okay. Spelling tells that it is C, but the IPA tells that it is ka. Here lies the puzzle. So, if we find a new word, then we must consult the word in a good dictionary. We must consult the IPA of the word and then go for the pronunciation. Otherwise, we may be wrong. Okay. Next, look at the word bury. If you see the only pronunciation, if you see the only spelling, it should be bury. B-U-R-E. Bury. Bury. But let us go to the IP of the word. Ba-e-ra-e. So it's very, not bury or not bury. So here You has given the pronunciation a very, but look at some other words here. Use, use. Here, you has given the sound you. Student, you. Bus, here it is a sound. Bus, here it is a sound. That's a big puzzle. So, only the consultation of IPA from a dictionary make us clear about the issue. Otherwise, we will be absolutely wrong. Okay. And now let us talk about the word basically. Basically, the pronunciation of the word is basically. But if we see the spelling of the word, it should be basically, and many of us often say that it is basically, but actually it is not basically, it is basically, because here the IP is ba, a, sa, e, ka, la, e, basically. So here y is pronounced as e, basically. But here in this word, fly, fly, y has become I, fly, cycle, y has become I, cycle. But yesterday, here the same letter, in the same word there are two letters, y, two y's. Okay, here it is yeah and it is a, yesterday. So it's a big problem if we don't consult the IPA. So same letter is giving different sounds in different words. So if we want to be correct, absolutely correct, we must consult the IPA. Okay. So there are some silent letters also in a word. Without knowing the fact that it is silent, we will go for pronouncing it and then we will be mistaken. For example, let us talk about the word. What is it? Is it almond or almond? Is it almond? If you look into the, if you look at the spelling only, it should be almond, almond. But let us go to the IPA. Ah, ma, ah, na, da, almond, almond. That means here in this word, L is silent. Okay, we will have to know the fact that in this word, L is silent. And who can tell this? Only a good dictionary can tell this. It's almond, almond. Okay. There are some other words like come. It's not calm, it's come because here L is silent. Huff. It's not half, it's half because here L is silent. Walk, talk. So we must be clear. We must have a clear understanding which letters are silent in which words. So the conclusion is that English spelling and pronunciation differ, and a good consultation from a reliable dictionary can help us correct our pronunciation. So let us learn IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, and let us consult it, and then it will help us to be correct to the point. This is all. Thank you so much.